Hey guys, today I wanted to do a quick product review and show you the installation and operation of an end-of-train device. This is made by Ring Engineering. They're available in lots of different configurations and they retail for $39.95. I've already got several of these on the layout and they look fantastic. I mean, they're really sharp and they're really eye-catching when they're going down the rails and see the end of the train and you've got this really nice scale flashing rear end device. So if you are going to pick them up, they come in lots of different configurations, so you need to look at what you're getting. They come with both yellow or gray end-of-train devices, long or short wires, 33 or 36 inch wheels, and then they also have some that have like shelf couplers or other things for special applications. So make sure you know what you're getting. These things install very quickly. They run off of track power, so they don't have any internal batteries or anything. Hardest part of doing these actually is getting this little foam piece out. And once that's out, the coupler that comes with these is a whisker coupler. And so when you're taking this out of the foam, you want to make sure you don't bend those whiskers. So just be careful doing that. And in here it comes with a sheet of instructions, and unlike most things today, Ring Engineering actually gives you a lot of instructions and information on how to use this, including all of these nice pictures on exactly how to put them in. And it actually is just as easy as they tell you it's going to be. So I'm going to put this on this ExactRail hopper here. I've already taken off the coupler pocket, and the truck. And so this will be mounted on the car right side up. And that configuration. So then in order to put it on, I'm going to need to do a couple things. First, I'll have to pry off the end that's not near the wire for the end-of-train device, so it looks like that. Then you carefully mount this on here. And you see you sort of need a third hand to put this up on here. So just be very careful. Slide that into place. Now you take this, make sure you have the right orientation for your side frames. Put it on there. Take this original screw from where you took the factory trucks off. Then you just pop the wheels back in the side frames. And that's all there is to it. These are very free-rolling trucks. They'll track out nicely. You have a nice number 58 coupler on the end. Alright, so let's put it on the track and see how it looks. Alright, and here is the end-of-train device installed and on the rails and flashing. You can see these things look super sharp. I mean, it's very eye-catching, very nice detail. and really easy to install. Went ahead and put another one next to it. I'll show you. This one's in gray. It has a shelf coupler. So go ahead and pick some of these up. If you're running modern trains that don't use cabooses, these are very eye-catching. They cost about the same as a high-end rail car, but they're going to have a much bigger impact than just one other car on your layout. Alright, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and keep enjoying your train to keep running them.